description.
Alright, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China. This is Ramen Darren or Tang Master, whatever floats your boat. It's their spicy pork bone. That's coming into your face, all over your face, up in your face, face. So we got 3 sachets. We got a noodle block. We even have a folding fork, which we don't need. We're already in the kitchen. I'm utensiled out, so that's good. But the way you do this one is you add everything in, add the boil, and let it steep for 3 minutes. It's really simple. This, I think, is the spicy element. It's gotta be. This is like a seasoned oil. Season the oil. It's April 29th? Yeah. It's gonna be May. Yeah. Gonna be May. Every time that's said, I believe Justin Timberlake gets $50. Maybe. I don't know. He's funny on Saturday Night Live, that's all I know. I guess he got in a Dewey. What a shocker, right? You guys got probably more disposable income than anybody I've ever met in my life. Probably is pretty happy, has a lot of stuff. And then he gets a freaking Dewey. You fool! You have it all. You can sing pretty songs, and you screwed all up. What the? I just don't. I'll never understand. 3 minutes. That's done. I don't want to burn myself. Cool. Timing on this is perfect. Oh, do I see it? No. Hot for a second there. I noticed steam rising from below. I kind of like that. It's kind of my jam. I like when other people are doing their laundry and you can see the steam rising up. Yeah. Kind of neat. Spill a little water. It happens from time to time. I miss our old stove. These stoves just kind of, they get scratched easily. They're a pain to clean. They get scratched easily. There's always the fear something will fall over and the whole thing will shatter. Don't like it. But okay. That's the deal. So apparently the band that I'm really into right now, Angine de Poitrine, is like blown up to such a point. Like to get their albums on vinyl are like $50, and then you've got the people that just collect albums and let them sit are like flipping out because when they get them shipped to them, like the edge, the corner of the record gets a little dinged up. Okay, I get it. But there was a guy that like had a big hissy fit in a group, and then I saw the price of the tickets to go see them. It's like $600. Wow. So yeah, now something I liked that I didn't realize now is like the hippest thing is now the hippest thing, and I don't know that I like that as much. You dig it? I am not a trendy person. I know, right? But yeah, I don't like the whole trendy thing. It irritates me. What did I use that spoon for? I used it for something. I'm looking at a spoon and I have no idea what I used it for. Oh, I used it for the hamburger? Maybe. Yeah, I did use it. Okay. Having a moment. Short moment. But yeah, it's Wednesday. Daughter has softball practice. It's good. She got softball practice in on Friday as well. And then she's got a game on Saturday. It's like, I don't know. They keep winning though. They've won 3 out of their 4 games that they've played this season. And that's really good. Last season, or last spring season, they won the last game. And that was it. They won 1 game for the entire season. They were new though. I wonder if that's just kind of how it works, or she just lucked out on being on really, really bad teams in the past. I don't know. My wife told me that it sounds like my daughter has something resembling a boyfriend. She's 9. I don't know. She's got like some kid that she's sweet on. That's okay. That's cute. I just don't want to have to bust any heads. It's too soon. Noodle's all right. Broth looks very nice. I will say though, it's a little bland, but it does have some heat. I'm gonna give it a deep stir. Sometimes if you do a deep stir, it helps a little bit. There's a little piece of fake pork there. That didn't hydrate all that great either. Good Uncle Vester, all dressed up in polyester. Okay. The egg. Time for the egg. There's the egg. Yeah, I need to go get more of those. I'm telling you what, I mean, look at that color. Good God. That's orange. Beautiful shade of orange. Scallion. Some sesame seed. And I'm going to show you this new stuff. Swelgant. Wonderful. This. Here, I've got to make it so you can totally see it just fine. Check this stuff out. May May. This stuff is like candy. I made curry last night. I made some coconut curry, and I just kept sprinkling this on top, and it was thrilling. 'Twas swelligant. And I really like this stuff. It's like garlic, onion, crunchy, wonderful stuff. I'm just gonna make a little pile of it right there. God. Well, that's about it. It's decent. I mean, it's a bowl of noodles. Not strong broth flavor, but not bad at all. Alright, well, that was interesting. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And you can eat noodles and go to a rave and eat rave noodles and rave about it and maybe thump a little bit. Alright, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.